So check it out. This has to be one of the coolest projects I've worked on in a long time. This Lionel 260 had been through the flood of 72. Agnes had pretty much destroyed a lot of it. The base is MTH, as well as the steam chest, that's reproduction. A friend of mine gave me this locomotive because he and his father were trying to restore it, and they'd gone around and bought these parts, and then his father passed, and so it sat in a box, and my friend didn't think he'd ever get around to finishing it, and he wanted to see it finished, so I got it together. Had to put the new pickup plate with the rollers in it, and the motor had to put new wheels on it because the old ones had been destroyed by the flood waters. This is an MTH base, a lot of reproduction parts on it, and I also had to rebuild the whistle tender, so I got that working really good. I rewired it and got it back together. Had to rewire the headlight. I also had to put a socket in the rear for the that red firebox glow light. That's a really neat effect. I believe there is probably flags for right here. I'll see if I can find some reproduction ones at next train shows. It's missing the upper valve gear, but I don't mind them. If I can find them, great. If not, that's all right. It is missing the air tank on the other side, but I was able to order them from eBay tonight. And also, I repainted the pilot, got that all cleaned up and looking good. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. This thing's amazing how well it runs. For 100 years old, and it always amazes me how big these are. I don't have many pre-war cars. I've only got 3 for now, but I'll see if I can pick up some more because I'm sure it'll easily pull them. So you can check it out. And the whistle's pretty neat too. It's kind of a mournful, it's just a single note. I'm so used to the post-war ones. But here we go. I was able to get it to run on my 036 curves, but it seems to like these 072 a lot better. That firebox glow is really such a neat effect. Such a mournful whistle on it. It's great that MTH made those reproduction parts so you can restore something like this, and I love restoring things, and I'm so glad my friend trusted me with it. I hope he likes the result. I think he'll just be happy to see it running again. It's sad that his father passed a few years ago and they were never able to complete it. The E unit, apparently the floodwaters destroyed it, so I wired it for forward only. Which is fine, it doesn't need reverse anyway. And let's pick the camera up and follow it around a little bit. And it runs like a well-oiled machine. I'm not sure if I said, but I did put new motor brushes in it too while I was at it, and springs. And we'll put the camera back down. We've got a pin all the way back. All right, that is so neat. I'm so glad that my friend entrusted me with a project like this. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.